Carbon removal from the atmosphere to combat climate change and conserving biodiversity are two mammoth challenges we are grappling with. Strikingly, the regions with the highest potential for carbon removal and rich biodiversity are often inhabited by the most impoverished communities. Navigating these intertwined issues compels us to find equitable and effective strategies to address both environmental and social concerns. Existing research and media have fixated on the vast tropical or temperate forests, like the Amazon-Congo basin, where deforestation rates are alarmingly high. There have been substantial developments in curbing deforestation there. However, there's another type of forest that often goes unnoticed. These forests are much smaller, covering only a few thousand hectares. For example, take the tiny patch of forest in the Deccan Plateau. These forests may only cover 100 to 200 hectares, shared among 5 villages and 500 households. Some gather firewood, others graze animals, and during certain seasons, they rely on mahua flowers, mushrooms, and other foods for sustenance. Now, how do we assess the benefits of these forests? Not just for the local communities, but for the entire world? 1 ton of carbon sequestered anywhere has the same positive impact on the climate, whether it's saved in a power plant or a forest. The data for this paper comes from the International Forestry Resources and Institutions Research Program, which has been running for 32 years. This program was initiated by Elinor Ostrom, whose Nobel Prize-winning research looked at forests as a shared resource used by many households. To ensure these forests continue to benefit future generations, it's crucial that these households collaborate and collectively manage and protect the forest. The methodology used integrated surveys conducted by teams comprising a social scientist and a forest management specialist. These surveys involve interviews with local households, key informants, institutional leaders, and forest personnel. Additionally, 30 vegetation plots, each with a radius of 10 meters, were established to systematically study the forest's flora. This comprehensive approach provides nuanced insights into forest dynamics and conditions.
So we go and measure trees in terms of diameter at breast height or their species or their height and so on. Or we ask people about how much firewood they use and so on and so forth. This is raw data.
Forests serve dual purposes. They capture carbon and support diverse tree species, benefiting livelihoods. However, conflicts arise when activities like wood extraction compromise carbon storage. Managing these complexities is vital for sustainable forest practices. This research shows that 300 forests across 15 countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America identified results as 5 clusters. Some excel across all measures, while others lag. Interestingly, diverse forests are evenly spread across continents, suggesting local factors drive performance rather than regional trends. In India, the Forest Rights Act is designed to ensure that communities have access to forest resources. Working alongside multiple state governments, ongoing efforts seek to implement research findings, allowing communities to gain ownership and management control over forests. This collaborative approach, combined with the provision of essential information, shines the light on indigenous wisdom to enhance forest outcomes. These endeavors hold importance not only at the national level, but also globally.